Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my old subscribers and I want to welcome my new subscribers for pushing that subscribe button, and for those that have not pushed that subscribe button, I welcome you too. Welcome everybody to Deals with Lady P. Today's video I want to share with you is a centerpiece that I want to do. I had in my mind for Easter that I wanted to do pink. I wanted to do a pink centerpiece with lilies, with pink lilies, with Jesus is the lily of the valley. So it was like all about him. And don't look like I'm gonna be able to complete my tablescape. Some things I just could not find. I just wanted all pink. But a lot of items I could find in the centerpiece I was able to find. So I want to share that with you today. And the first item is a box that this is the box that I had been looking for a while. I had it in mind that I wanted that long box, and I knew I wanted to try and make one. But you know, I've shared with you before, I'm not a DIY girl, but I've been working on DIYs. I want to get more into DIYs. And what encourages me is when I see the prices of some things. I love a deal, and if I feel like I could do it myself, I just go ahead and I push forward, and it kind of encourages me and gives me that energy to try it out. And these boxes that I have been wanting at Kirkland's was like $40 and $50, and I'm going to insert a picture on the price. I'm going to go online and get the price on, but they had a couple of them in the store. But I could not find the box anywhere. I looked in different stores and they might have short, tall, but this is what I've been looking for. So it just so happened I was at my sister's house one day and I was showing her, because I'm always sharing with her what I'm looking for, and sometimes if she see it, she'll let me know and everything. So I was sharing with her the box. I said, well, let me show you what I'm looking for. So I went to the Kirkland's site and I knew it was $14.99 at Kirkland's. When I went on the site, it was $7.99. I was like, oh my goodness, half price. I said, look. I went there the next day and picked it up. And when I shared with the lady, they had two of them. They had the Easter, and they had one that said blessings on it. But the blessings one wasn't on sale, but the Easter ones. So she said, I said, well, I really like the blessings because I could use it at different times. And she's like, just turn it around, just turn it around. So I said, yeah, that's a good idea. I just flip it around. And so this is the box, and the price on it says $9.99 when I got there, but I got it for $7.99. So I was really pleased with that, and it's something I could use for the holidays coming up. I could use it for autumn and fall and Christmas or whenever. So that was a good idea. She said, just go ahead and just turn it around. So this is the box. This is the Zach one I was looking for. And the other items I brought 3 of these from the Dollar Tree, and I purchased 2 of these from the Dollar Tree. And there's my candle holders, And then I purchased 2 of these yesterday. I purchased these from Michael's because the Dollar Tree didn't have the size that would fit in the candles, and these was $1.68. Yesterday they had 60% off, so I had my sister pay for one and I paid for one, and I purchased 2 of these, and that was a good price with the 60% off. Now the candles, these are the candles I'm going to use because I wanted the pink, and I found these at Michael's. I got 2 candles. And then I have 2 more of this size, and it came in this. This was $30, and I got it for, it was half price with an extra 20 off. And this was another item. I saw it It was online and an extra 20. You know, with Michael's, you go in daily and see if they have the extra 20 or what coupons they have. So this was an extra 20 off that day. So my sister picked that up for me. It came with these 4, and then it came with 4 tea lights. And I don't believe I'm gonna use the tea lights today. But I already put batteries in them. They LED, and see the LED, I already put batteries in these, and it also came with a nice remote to it. So this, I was really pleased with it, and so that is the one that I wanted to use. And then I picked up, and these are already cut for video purposes, but I purchased 2 bunches of lilies, pink lilies from Family Dollar, and I think it was 7 or 8 on a bunch, but they from Family Dollar, and they were $3 a piece. I purchased two bunches of these. Okay, so I purchased 1 bunch of these from Dollar Tree, and I forgot what they call. I find out hyacinth, something like that. I just purchased 1 bunch of those. And these, I didn't purchase this. These came from Michael's from the $4 grab bag. So I put these all to the side just in case I need these. And that is it. That is it. We're gonna get started. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these in. Okay, and I'm gonna put this in here. But what I'm gonna do is, because of the remote, let me take the remote out. Let me see if they come on. Okay, this one. Gotta cut them off first, but okay. Now I can cut them off. Okay, so this. I'm gonna use these. Okay. Now I'm gonna start putting my lilies in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting my lilies, placing my lilies in there, and I'm gonna start here. Okay, try to make it even on what I do on one side. I'm gonna do on the other side. And let's see. Make nice and full here. Okay. Okay. Just trying to do the same thing I do on one side, I do on the other side. I also purchased these, just one bunch of lilies from the Dollar Tree. So these are a little thinner than these and a little lighter. So I want to use these first, and then I'm going to see where to fill those in at. And the ones from Family Dollar seem to be a little larger. Okay, I'm just going to go around and try to put in exactly where I put the others at. Trying to make them even. Then I'm going to turn it around, see where I need to fill in. I'm going to turn it around a little bit. And I thought about Velcroing this because I don't want to glue it. I thought about Velcroing the glass to it, but I might do that later. And I'll just continue to go around. That one looks lighter. Okay. And nice and full. So I hope you guys are getting ready for Easter. And I have been eating 90% plant-based. I really haven't had any meat for a couple of months other than fish. So, but I might do some ham. I know we're supposed to have ham. Normally on Easter I cook a leg of lamb. And I'm not sure if they still want the leg of lamb, the rest of the people in the... Oh, that looks really, really pretty, you guys. That looks gorgeous. Let me let you see that. That is all filled in there. That looks really, really pretty. Really nice. I'm going to continue to go around, and now I'm going to put in these, the other ones that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and just fill it in around here. And you can use anything you want, but I think I'm going to be able to use this quite a bit. And we're going to slide this over a little bit so I can put that there. And let's see over here. It looks like over there is full enough. And I really like the flowers from Family Dollar. They're a little bit more than the Dollar Tree, but they're nice and full. Yeah, that looks gorgeous. It's like, in my head, it's like I really wanted pink lilies. I wanted it all pink. I was able to find a couple of pink placemats, and I have not been able to find the rest of them, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But this really looks nice. This looks gorgeous. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I'm gonna throw some of the pieces of, let's see, these here, the ones I brought from Dollar Tree, just to put a little added, some extra flour there. Let's see, try to go inside. Let's see, this one a little short. Let's see here. And yeah, so with the meal, I know we're gonna have ham. I have ham in the freezer from, I believe it was New Year's or Christmas around that time at Aldi's, and got it real cheap. So I know we're gonna have ham, and I don't know what else, because I don't know if they want the leg of lamb anyway, because like I said, everybody haven't been, even my my son and his family, they are vegan. So I don't know what's the meal gonna be, but it's gonna be a good one, whichever one, because we've been really experimenting with vegan chocolate cake and different things, and it's been working out. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna have, but I believe we're gonna have ham, and I'm probably gonna taste that ham. And yes, I should taste the ham. I'm gonna put a little bit of greenery on here. These came off of the lilies, so I want to add that all the way around. But it's gonna be good, and I know they're gonna have a wonderful play at church Sunday. And we're about ready. My granddaughter, she has her little outfits all ready to go.
I did.
And just worry about getting the meats together. And the freezer has the meats. I don't know if they want the lamb though. I like lamb for Easter. I know it's expensive, but I do like it. And I've seen it on sale, so I might just do the lamb and something else to go along with the ham. I know we have a potato salad, and last Christmas, since they were vegan, I made 2 bowls of potato salad. I made one vegan and one non-vegan, and they both was good. They both was good. So yeah, I did that for my son and his wife. So that's looking good over that side. And I didn't need this one. So let's turn it around. It's so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's just like I imagined it to be. I wanted the pink. So this probably will be my, when I find everything, even if I don't have it for Easter, and I find the rest of the parts that I want, I'm gonna bring it to you, my tablescape, and it'll just be my spring tablescape. So yes, my granddaughter's over there. She don't notice. She better see herself in the mirror. She don't know she'll be able to see herself in the mirror. She over there.
I do know that my
This
Easter
is
outfit's
gorgeous. I think I want. So this probably a go. Let me see. Let's see. This probably gonna be. I'm trying to get. I don't know if that's gonna stick. Okay. Let's see. It is so pretty. It is just like. Let me cut this off. So if you find the stems from the. I'm just gonna cut this out of the way. Forgot to tell you, you need your wire cutters. You need your wire cutters. And yes, yeah, that's this. And that is so pretty. It's just like, yes, so this is turning out exactly the way I envisioned it to turn out. I just wanted pink. It is just the way I imagined it to be. Okay, now let's go. Da-da! Let's go.
No.
It lit it up. Yes. Could go down a little bit further. Okay. One is done. It's beautiful. Love it. It is just what I envisioned it to be. You know, sometimes we just start thinking, this is what I want. This is what I want. And putting it together sometimes is a little difficult, but it comes out all beautiful in the end. This is so gorgeous, and this is gonna be for Easter, but I'm also gonna make it my spring tablescape. I'm gonna try to finish up those pieces, try to grab those pieces that I've been looking for and bring you the whole tablescape. But this is exactly what I wanted. I even wanted a cross in there, but this is it. This is beautiful. I love it. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of it. I appreciate that. So this is the end of this video, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have not already done so, push that button, push the notification button so you'll be notified each video that comes out. I would love to have you join the Deals with Lady P family. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.